Welcome to PFTV. Kitsere Tato today. Tato, second trophy in the cabinet. We are number 1 on the league. Surely you happy with today's performance, my man?
I'm the happiest person on earth. One of the best decisions I've made in my life was to support Orlando Pirates Football Club. Kumbula, I said it, Orlando Gucci. We are turning to be the Cup Kings of South African football. Bega. Second trophy in less than 5 months. We are number 1 on the log. And I'm making an apology to Coach Wadu. I apologize. I apologize, Coach Wadu. I doubted you so much. But yeah, you are here, you're proving us wrong week in, week out. I am happy, I'm over the moon. I don't even have words. Bega. Yeah, it was a tough game, eh? Yeah, it was a tough game. They gave us a run for our money, Marumo Gallants. Yeah, they really played. They came. Yeah, they came to the
And then some of the supporters were crying out for Ndondo today. He gave us a bit of issues in the first half. Do you think we should have released Ndondo from Orlando Pirates?
Ndondo, yes, we could have released him. It's fine. Otladisa, marvelous. He had a top game, outstanding performance. Whoever was thinking king for me, room. He was a pain in the butt. He was Begeza. Otladisa came, he played well. For me now, we should have kept Otladisa and let Ndondo go because I scoop in the eyes. You're born and I scoop setting you again. Ushenko, they're standing today. You understand? So yeah, Ndondo it's fine, But Otladisa, our dogs. I keep them solar.
Quality player. And then Pagania, we saw some of the Pirates fans were frustrated when Utalente Mbata came out. Do you share the same sentiment?
Yeah, but nakhona udlalile, so can't tell him akaphuma ngeno munye. So yeah. He played well. Makungena omunye umuntu asoqedelela ispan. I think that's what we've built this season. Pirates. You come in, you do your job, you go out. Or if we are getting as a sub, you come inside, you do your job, and then we win. We have impact players. Yes.
So if it was you, Pagania, were you gonna pull Umasindi or Utalente Mbata namhlanje?
I would pull Umasindi because he was on a yellow and the game was high. You understand? And you like against the former team. So listen to analysis. I was gonna pull Umasindi, but top performance from that guy, engineer. Top. Masindi namtichela John week 70 years ngefiki. What a player.
And then can you talk about Master Chef Pagania? We saw he came in extra time. Some say he was cooking and even washing the dishes. Thoughts on his performance?
Yeah, first moments I don't think udlale grand, but makuya kwesikhathi pick up in the game adlala and then he took control of the game. He came phezulu and then he made sure that yonke into idlala according to pace. Ezosuta team, not the pace ezosuta team because bese sijaha nathi. Idlala ngepace ebona abayifuna. So Msharp Master Chef came in, he played. It's fine. Nothing special about today's performance.
And then difficult question, Pagania, man of the match today. People are struggling to give me a man of the match. Who was the man of the match?
I'm man of the match today. I was celebrating.
No, sing your show up.
Anton Pizepa played really played. Siema also played well. Yeah,
difficult one.
Nah, I can't choose.
Let's just give it to the fans.
Yeah, let's just give it. Relevile Mfuki. Anton Pizepa.
Thanks, Pagania.